Time for double replacement. Double replacement, a friend of mine calls it switchy, and I think that's kind of lame, but it does work, okay? So in your final reactions, you shouldn't have charges written anywhere, okay, in a total reaction. Unless you are having the word net ionic or redox, I don't want to see charges. However, I'm going to write them here and I'll rewrite the whole equation. So potassium is +1, iodine's -1, PB's +2, NO3 is -1. All right, so here's the deal. You always have to start with a positive, okay? So K is going to end up with NO3. And that's cool, okay? Because K is +1, NO3 is -1. They cancel out. Plus, all right, now we have PB is what's going to start our next one. It's +2, so it's going to be PBI2, okay? So the other thing that's missing is states of matter. Where do we go for states of matter? We go to our beautiful, I wonder if I can do this over here and you can see, we go to our beautiful solubility rules. If we look for NO3, it's always soluble, which means AQ. Okay, our next one is PBI2. PBI2. Well, here's an I, and that is soluble except with AG, HG, and PB. Guess what? That makes this a solid. It needs to be balanced. You would put a 2 here and then a 2 here. That way you would balance your NO3s and your I's, and that is a perfect double replacement reaction. However, when you hand this in, and I was going to rewrite it, but I've run out of space, I don't want to see those charges anywhere, okay? So those charges are for me to help you out, but those charges I don't want to see anywhere. So the next one I'm going to kind of do without charges. I'm still going to start with H, but H can't be with Cl, so it's going to be with OH. HOH, better known as water. So this is a liquid plus NaCl, and this is aqueous. How did I know that's aqueous? Well, we just went to Cl, okay, and that is soluble except for with these heavy metals of silver, mercury, and lead. And sodium's not a heavy metal. And that is a 1:1 to 1:1 ratio, so that's good to go. Our next one, FeS solid plus HCl aqueous, okay? So that means at the end we could have an aqueous situation, okay? So now Fe is going to be its charge. I'll write them right here, +2, and S is -2. How did I know Fe's charge? Because I know S. S is for sure -2, so that's what it has to be. So this is +1 and -1. So Fe is going to be not with anything that's positive, it's going to be with Cl. So it becomes FeCl2. All right, oh good, we did Cl already. What is Cl? Soluble except with Ag, Hg, and Pb. So you know what? AQ. Cool. Plus H2S. Okay? H2S, ladies and gentlemen, if we look at the solubility rules, H2S is S. Where's S? Oh, there it is. It's insoluble, so it's a solid except with an alkali metal, Ca, Sr, Ba, or NH4. None of that. So it seems like it would be a solid, but actually produces a gas. That's a rotten egg smell. I wouldn't ask you to know it. I'd rather you put S if you don't know that's a gas. All right, it's not balanced, so I'm going to put a 2 here, and now we're done. That is double replacement.